Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find deleted notes on Macbook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. One of the characteristics of the macOS that make it attractive to all kinds of users is the inclusion of many apps and applets designed to facilitate the use of your Mac or MacBook. One of these apps which can be used to make your life easier is Notes. On my previous video, I've shown you how to use this app. But now, what if you just accidentally delete notes and you want to recover the note? So it's so simple. So first we have to open our notes. So for the example, we'll try to create note like this. Find deleted note. Okay, and I will delete this note like this. So it's disappear from this notes list. To find it, you can open the sidebar on your notes, and if you can't find the sidebar icon on your notes, you can just click right on the menu bar on the note in here, and you can choose on customize toolbar, and you'll find there is an option folder. You can just drag it and put it on the menu bar on the notes. Click on done, and you can click on the sidebar menu, and you'll find in here's all the deleted note that stored on your notes. All the deleted notes will be stored in here. So if you want to recover it, you can just choose on the note that you want to recover, and you can just try to type on the notes, and there is an option to recover. You can just click on that. So it will be back on the main list of on your note. So simple, right? So that is how to find deleted notes on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.